All right, we're here today and I want to show you our lower preload collar. That's all that's on this vehicle. Has nothing done to the rear. That's just on the lower preload collar in the front. We've obviously taken measurements of the vehicle. This truck is a brand new 2021. The only thing obviously I can say is we set this all up the way it's designed and everything. This has a full tank of gas in it, so it's going to sit as low as it is right now with the full tank of gas in it. So we did take our measurements. We took our measurements from the center of the axle right here to the bottom into the wheel well, and we're 21 3/4 here. And then on the rear back here, we're exactly 22 inches on the rear back here. So this is obviously stock height in the rear. We're 1/4 inch lower in the front on this truck with our preload collar. We've obviously enhanced the ride with our preload collar. We haven't shortened up any of the travel on the suspension on this truck. One of the nice things about it is obviously we got rid of a lot of the side-to-side body roll and the dipping in the front on the stops, and but otherwise the ride is nearly the same on this truck. This truck is going to get a set of 275s added to it. You can see our preload collar right here, down here on the bottom. That is a billet machined aluminum collar that we make that replaces the factory collar on this truck. So very minimal needs to be done to make this work out on this truck. But the stance on it is phenomenal. And like I said, it'll accommodate 275, 70/17 on the factory wheels, and without any kind of rubbing or any modifications needed to the truck. So again, thank you for watching our video. Please feel free to reach out with any questions you may have. My name is Jeff with Westcott Designs, and we're happy to help you in any way. Thank you. Bye-bye.